Yes, it is the match day as Orlando Pirates face MC Alger in the second leg of the quarter final of the KF Champions League at the Ionic Orlando Stadium under the managerial guidance of Spanish football manager Jose Rivero. Orlando Pirates have prepared a well-balanced lineup with a mix of youth and talented players in both defense, attacking, and forward line. And we have Sifo Chaine as a goalkeeper, but when we come into the right back we have Diano Van Rooyen. Center back will be materialized by two talented defenders, starting with Nkosina CCBC as well as Tapelo Soki, while the youngster Mbekeze Limbokazi will act as the left back. Mahilin Makaula and Talent Mbata will act as the defensive midfielders, while the youngster Rele Mofokeng will act as the central attacking midfielder. The youngster Mohau Nkota, wearing jersey number 33, will act as a right winger, while Dion Hoto, the legendary, will act as a left winger for today, and the Evidence Magopa will stand as a lone striker. In substitutions, we have the players like Patrick Mashwanganyi, Butheles Ndonlo, Tegofaso Mabasa, Innocent Maela, Bandele Shandu, Paseka Mako, as well as Raze Boja. And we know today, thanks to Orlando, Mohau Nkota and Rele Mofekeng, both of them, they have 3 goals each, and they will need maybe to add some number on their tally. We know starting Rele Mofekeng have 3 goals in all competitions. I mean, in CAF Champions League, he scored those goals against the National Ahli, Sierra Belouizdad, as well as Stade Malien, while Nkota scored 2 goals against Sierra Belouizdad, as well as 1 goal in the first leg of the KF Champions League in a quarter final against the MC Alger. Do you think Orlando Pirates will qualify for the next step of the KF Champions League?